we yell at someone or stomp our feet. But remember, when we act out of anger, we might hurt others or make things worse. Here's a secret. When we feel anger is building up, we can choose how to handle it. First, take a deep breath. Feel how our body relaxes, or you can walk away for a moment. Just a little time to cool down. It's like pressing the pause button before making things worse. Anger isn't a feeling, but how we deal with it is our choice. So next time you feel angry, remember, breathe, pause, and choose peace.